In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up the Pinterest sales channel in Shopify. By the end, you'll have your Shopify store connected to Pinterest, with your products syncing automatically and your tracking tag in place, so you're ready to promote and measure performance without touching any code. First, make sure you're logged in to your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, head to the Apps section. Click to visit the Shopify App Store and use the search bar to look for Pinterest. You're specifically looking for the Pinterest Sales Channel app, published by Pinterest. Open it, then select Add App. You'll see a list of permissions that allow the app to connect your store and manage your product data. Review those, and when you're comfortable, click Add App or get that app to install it. This is what enables your store and Pinterest to communicate securely. Once the app is installed, you'll be prompted to connect a Pinterest business account. If you already have one, simply log in. If you don't, you can create a business account during this flow. A business account is important because it unlocks analytics, catalog features, and ads. After logging in or signing up, authorize the app to access your account. This permission step is required so the app can sync your catalog, place the Pinterest tag, and if you choose, link to an ad account for campaigns. Next, complete the guided setup inside the app. The flow will connect your Shopify store to Pinterest, configure the Pinterest tag for tracking conversions and visitor actions, and set up your product catalog so your items can appear on Pinterest. You'll also have the option to link or create an ad account if you plan to advertise. Review and agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. When this is done, the Pinterest tag is automatically installed on your Shopify store. No manual code needed. Your product catalog will begin syncing in the background. Depending on the size of your catalog, this can take a little time, so don't worry if you don't see everything immediately. You can return to the app later to check sync status and see if any products need attention. That's the full setup. You've installed the Pinterest sales channel, connected your Pinterest business account, and completed the configuration for your tag, catalog, and ad account. From here, you're set up for product distribution on Pinterest and ready to measure results. If you need to adjust settings, you can always revisit the Pinterest app from your Shopify admin. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.